we'll be understanding about graphical representation of different type of polynomials. So we have studied about the main three type of polynomials based on their degree, which we'll be studying in this particular chapter is linear, quadratic. These two will be made and we'll be understanding something about cubic. Cubic will not be covered in very detail. Linear, quadratic and cubic. Okay, graphical representation of polynomials can be done in, there are three types of polynomials. Now we'll understand each one. A linear polynomial, whenever represented on a graph, will always form a line. A linear polynomial like x plus 5, seven x minus 2, minus 6x plus 3. All these polynomials are a linear. They are considered as linear polynomial, and when you plot them on graph, you will always be getting a straight line. I'll show you the graph also. यहाँ पे जो graph formation है, it will not be asked you in exam. They will not be asking you to draw the graph, but we can ask from the equation what type of graph will it be forming. Okay, or from the graph we can ask you what type of equation it is. I'll show you the sample. Okay, so here we'll be plotting the graph. I'll put any linear equation. I'll try to put any linear equation and I'll be getting a line. So let's say x plus 5. See, I'm getting a straight line. X plus 5 is a straight line. Instead of x plus 5, if I plot, let's say 7x plus 2. See, I'm again getting a straight line. I put minus 6x plus 3. Achha, even x is not important. If I put some other variable, 6y plus 0. Once again, I think this particular software is designed for x. So here we have to use x. You can do anything. All these equations are linear equations and we are getting line. And this dynamic, as you change, it will also change. See. So every time I'm writing an equation, you can see on the left hand side, I'm getting a straight line. So all the linear equation will always provide you a straight line. What if you are having a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation will give you a curve. And that particular curve is having a special
parabola.
Parabola, very good. That particular curve is known as parabola. Suppose your quadratic polynomial will be looking like x squared plus 4x minus 3. Anything. What are your values won't be mattering until and unless iski jo degree hai. That if the degree is 2, we can call it this a quadratic polynomial. It should be having all the properties of polynomial and degree should be 2. We can consider that to be a quadratic polynomial. We can have minus x squared minus 3x 2x plus 7. We may also have just minus 5x squared, nothing else. We may have 6x squared plus 7, no x term. All of them are quadratic polynomials. I'll show you how they look on graph. Before that, just understand when we were plotting linear graph, we are getting line. How many times will it intersect? How many times can it intersect x-axis? How many times can it intersect x-axis? This question is very important. Yes. A linear
1 or 2.
1 or 0 or 1. Linear equation, whenever you plot linear equation, it can cut x-axis either one time or 0. Let me give you example. So whatever examples we have used now, it is till now, it is intersecting x-axis at one point. वो x-axis को एक बार cut कर रहा है. right? It is only cutting one time. We may also have equation like, if I just simply write wait. So how to plot this? Let me explain. यहाँ पे ये plot नहीं होगा. Is the let me explain you on the board because this particular software is not designed for that. This is my graph. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. If my polynomial let's say a constant one. Let's say we have a constant one. What do you mean by constant polynomial? When p of x is equals to just a number. Let's say p of x is 0. Yes, when power is 0, we call it a constant polynomial. Before linear. When power is 0, we call it constant. When power is 1, we call it linear. When power is 2, we call it quadratic. When power is 3, we call it cubic. When power is 0, so instead of writing any variable here, we just have a number. We are not having any variable, we just have a number. This y-axis is representing p of x and x-axis is representing x. X will be plotted on the horizontal axis and p of x on the vertical axis. When I am having p of x equals to 5, now here we don't have the x term. X की term नहीं है, it is missing. So that means value of p of x is 5 and it will not be changing whatever value of for whatever value you are taking in x. मतलब x की value कुछ भी हो, value of p of x is 5. Even if x is 3, p of x will be 5. Even if x is 2, p of x will be 5. Even if I take x to the minus 2, p of x will be 5. It will always be a line which is never intersecting x-axis. This line will never intersect x-axis. This type of line will have no solution. They have no solution, no specific solution. Zero solution. So constant polynomial will never intersect x-axis. A linear polynomial will intersect one time. Constant polynomial will never intersect x-axis. It will be always parallel to x-axis. Always parallel to x-axis. I hope you are understanding because your p of x is equals to 0. So if p of x equals to some number, as p of x is equals to some number, that means the value of p of x is not depending on x itself. आपकी x की कोई भी value ले लो, p of x तो fix है, it will be 5. So it will be a line where it is not intersecting x-axis. In linear case, if I take any linear equation, just take this example, x plus 5. Your p of x is depending on x. Value of p of x depends on x. So whatever value you consider for x, that will change the value of p of x. If you take x to be 5, p of x will become 10. If you take x to be 10, this will become 10 plus I 15. So p of x को फर्क पड़ रहा है, is changing by changing the value of x. Such an equation is called linear equation and it will also give a straight line. ये भी straight line, ये भी straight line. लेकिन यहाँ पे parallel, no solution. यहाँ पे it will not be parallel, it will intersect one time. So it will have one solution. How many times can it intersect? One time. तो जहाँ पे वो line intersect करती है, that particular point, wherever your graph is intersecting the x-axis, that point is known as solution of the polynomial. Solution or zero of the polynomial. So a linear equation can have one solution or 1 0, because linear equation is only cutting the axis at one time. Linear equation can cut x-axis only at one point. As it can cut the x-axis only at one point, you can have only one solution of the linear polynomial. Okay, please understand. We'll understand now for 2. Those who have not understood, just carefully understand for quadratic. You'll get the idea. Yes, tell me your doubt. Let me plot this. Minus x square minus 2x plus 7. Those who are having doubt, please pay attention here. We are plotting second graph. Minus x square minus 2x plus 7. See, right now the graph is towards the negative axis, downwards है, जो आपका U shape है downwards है. लेकिन for us what is important? वो x axis को 2 points पे कट कर रहा है. अगर x axis को 2 points पे कट कर रहा है, then it means it is having 2 solutions, 2 zeros. Okay, so even this is a quadratic equation, which is cutting the graph at 2 points. So yes, Nikhil, so your doubt is if it is x cube or x raised to 4, what will happen? Now let me explain you. So now I'll combine everything and explain you. Okay? Yes, it is possible that it won't cut. मैं आपको वो भी explain करता हूँ. See, I'll explain you. I'm getting your doubts. Just wait. I'll answer one by one. It is possible. Suppose if I write x into x, that is x square plus 5. See, now this is a special equation. We are getting a U shape, but it is not intersecting with x-axis. So how many solutions do we have? How many solutions are there?
0.
0. Right. So I'll explain the entire topic again, don't worry. Just first try to understand whatever I'm explaining, then we'll cover it again. So here it is not cutting the axis at all. Achha, if we write only x square, how many times it is touching the x-axis?
One time.
Only one time.
One time.
One time, sir.
So that it is important to understand that in quadratic equation, it's not that you will always be getting 2 answers. Maximum you will get 2 answers. There is a possibility that you may only get 1 answer, and there's also a possibility you may not get an answer. Okay? Okay, now so if we are having a constant polynomial, understand one by one. Understand each concept one by one. Okay? So when we have a constant polynomial the examples over p of x equals to some number, let's say -3. The polynomial is some number. There is no x. It is not depending on x. Independent of x. Independent of variable. It is independent. The value of p of x is -3. It is fixed. It is not depending on x. So we have no solution. No solution. Parallel. The line will be parallel to x-axis. It will not intersect. Please understand, this type of polynomial will be parallel to x-axis and it will not intersect your x-axis. So there is no solution for this. Solution का मतलब क्या होता है? Let me explain. When I say solution, what should be in your brain? कि इसकी value p of x की value 0 कब होगी? When will be the value of p of x will become 0? Now p of x is a constant value -3. It is not depending on x. So how can I change the value? Value is fixed. So there is no chance that I can convert p of x into 0. तो chance ही नहीं है कि कुछ भी ले लूं मैं x कोई भी value ले लूं, p of x 0 नहीं हो रहा है. अगर वो 0 नहीं हो रहा है, that means we don't have any solution. It will not intersect x-axis. It will not intersect x-axis. Now, instead of this, if we have a linear polynomial, it will also form a line. this will also form a line. Constant polynomial की parallel line होती है. And when we have a linear polynomial, इसका एक example, p of x equals to x plus 7. Here, the power of x or the degree of variable linear polynomial p of x equals to x plus 7. Example, this is a linear polynomial because degree of the variable, पूरे में जो degree of variable है वो 1 है, x की power is 1. So here you will be having one solution. You will be getting one solution. P of x graph, या फिर you can say graph will intersect with x-axis at one point. It will only intersect at one point. Graph will intersect with x-axis at one point. ठीक है? मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है? It is having one solution or one zero, and the figure will also look like a line. It will also be a line. So understand the sample. इसका ग्राफ कैसे दिखेगा? Constant polynomial graph will look like this.
Parallel to x-axis.
Yes, it will not intersect x-axis at all. And linear polynomials graph will be looking like somewhat like this. It will intersect x-axis at one point. You can draw this sample for your understanding. A linear polynomial will intersect the graph at a single point. Yes, Ishan, finite. That is the polynomial. Constant polynomial is having a special type, zero polynomial. Zero polynomial means when p of x equals to 0. What will happen here? Here, as p of x is 0, your entire answer will be on the x-axis. So here you have infinite solutions. What do you mean by infinite solution? That whatever value you consider for x, आप x कोई भी value ले लो, p of x तो 0 ही है. You can consider any value of x, you will get p of x 0 only. हम solution किसको बोलते हैं? What is solution? Solution means you should get p of x as 0. x की वो value जिसमें p of x 0 हो जाए. यहाँ पे what will be the solution? What should be value of x so that p of x is 0? What should be value of x so that p of x becomes 0?
-7.
-7. You have one specific value. So you are having only one value. When x is -7, only in that situation, only in this particular situation, your polynomial becomes 0. If value of x is -7, then -1 plus 7 will be 0. Okay, so we will be having only one point. But here, whatever value you consider for p of x, the answer is always 0. Whatever value you consider for x, आप x की कोई भी value ले लो, यहाँ तो x है ही नहीं, आंसर तो पहले से 0 फिक्स है. So infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. इसको बोलेंगे coinciding with x-axis. Coinciding मतलब वो उसी के ऊपर draw हो जाएगी. The entire graph will be on the x-axis itself. This is a special case of constant polynomial. इसको बोलते हैं zero polynomial. This is constant polynomial. This is linear polynomial. Now we'll understand quadratic polynomial.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What's your doubt? Linear polynomial. I am considering p of x equals to x plus 7. I am considering an equation p of x equals to x plus 7. आपको x की एक वैल्यू सिलेक्ट करनी है, any value जिससे p of x 0 हो जाए. So you will keep p of x as 0. You have to find value of x such that p of x becomes 0. Your ultimate goal is p of x should become 0. Now what you will be doing? You will send 7 on the left hand side. So what is value of x? -7. P of x 0 कब होगा? When x is -7. So -7 is considered as solution of the polynomial or 0 of polynomial. Is it clear, Harsh?
Yes, sir.
What is a quadratic polynomial? So it will have maximum two solutions. Maximum two solutions. The graph will always look like a parabola. It will always be a parabola. It will intersect x-axis either 0 times, 1 time, or 2 times. It can intersect x-axis either 0 times, 1 times, or 2 times. We'll take a sample x squared plus 4x plus 7. This is an example of quadratic equation. Maximum we can have two values. Maximum we can have two values where this graph will intersect with x-axis. There are three possibilities. Please wait. Before you ask your doubts, please wait. The three possibilities for quadratic equation may be, you may have this kind of graph where it is intersecting the x-axis at 2 points. Achha, in here parabolic algebra because single curve. This is important. Single time it will make a curve. It will not bend again. It is having a single bend. There is a single bend. You may also have a equation like this. ऐसा समझ लो या फिर ऐसा, where it is only touching x-axis one time. Okay. Now, next thing we can have is this type of graph. You may have this type of graph where it is not intersecting the x-axis at all.
No solution.
Suppose if we have cubic polynomial.
Maximum 3 solution.
Maximum 3 solutions. Okay, it will be maximum 3 solutions. The graph will be having double curve. The graph will look like this. It will curve 2 times, double parabola you will say. We may also have a graph like this. It is also having double curve, but here it is intersecting x-axis 3 times. So we have 3 solutions. Here we have only 1 solution. Then we may have like this. Here we are having
2 solution.
this. And we don't have any solution. All of them are considered cubic polynomial. How can you identify if a polynomial is cubic or not? This term will help you. If you are having double curve, it is a cubic polynomial. If you have a double curve, it is a cubic polynomial. It is bending 2 times. And how many solutions will it be having? That depends on
Graph.
yes. If it is intersecting 3 times, 3 solutions. If it is intersecting 1 time, 1 solution. जितनी भी time x-axis को intersect कर रहा है. If it is not intersecting, no solutions. ठीक है? But the type of polynomial can be understood from the design, and number of solutions can be understood from the number of times it is intersecting on x-axis. Yes, it is compulsory, obviously. This is a condition I'm explaining. So if I have this kind of graph, let's say, can you tell me how many solutions will it have? How many solutions this?
5. 5.
So from the graph itself, we can say, looking at the design, the number of times this graph is intersecting with x-axis, that will tell you the number of solutions. In exam, we will not be getting questions for plotting the graph, but you will be having this type of question where the graph is given and you have to tell me the type of equation, the degree. Achha, can you tell me what is the degree of this particular polynomial degree? No.
5.
It may not be 5. See, it may please understand. The degree
Sir, 5.
the degree depends on, यहाँ पे 2 बार curve है, So 2 plus 1, it is cubic. 2 bar curve, so 2 plus 1, cubic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here degree is 5. Here degree is 5. But it is not compulsory that if there are 5 solutions here, there is no solution. So can you say there will be, the degree will be 0? No. It depends on number of curve. For one solution, no curve. For 0 and 1 solution, no curve. It will be line. For 2 solutions, 1 curve. For 3 solutions, quadratic, 1 curve. For cubic, 2 curves. And it will go on. I'll give you the topic tomorrow. I'll take attendance.